Hey guys, Ryan King here, and I'm the keyboard instructor for worshipartistry.com. In today's YouTube lesson, we're going to take a look at the song Sound of the Saints by Audio Adrenaline. Specifically, we're going to look at the bridge and the solo walkthrough. Now, we're only going to look at these two sections, so if you want to see the entire lesson, you need to click the link and head over to Worship Artistry, where you can sign up for an account for less than $10 a month, and it's totally worth it. But just in case you want to check out a YouTube video, this is for you. After the second chorus, we move into an instrumental and then the bridge, and the instrumental is identical to the first half of the bridge, and it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bridge 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second half of the bridge. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4, and off. So not too difficult. Now again, the instrumental is identical to the first half of the bridge. So all you're doing is B flat, C minor, E flat, and you repeat to start the bridge. B flat, C minor, E flat, and then when you go into the second half of the bridge, you'll move up, B flat, C minor, and then E flat, E flat 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, 2, 3, 4, and off. And it's as easy as that. Now, after the bridge, you go into the drop chorus, where you just play that open B flat chord and really let that pad shine out. And then after that, you repeat the chorus again, do your same chord structure as you've already learned, tag it 3 times, and then that's the end of the tune. Now, as far as the solo walkthrough is concerned, you can take all the techniques you've learned here and apply them to that situation if you have to play it by yourself. But one of the things that I would do is you need to provide some rhythm and add a little bit more, bass notes as far as the roots are concerned, especially during the intro, the verses, and the pre-chorus. Mostly during all of that, we're just playing that open B flat chord, so we need to provide some more motion. So what I would do is I would mimic what the acoustic guitar is doing, or some of the other kind of stringed instruments, and it's basically doing a rhythm of 16th notes. And so what I would do is I would come down here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this this pad down a little bit, and I would do a figure like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all I'm doing is B flat, F, 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 B flat, F, F, F. And so it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a... Now that figure right there will give it enough motion and really help it feel like, you're playing kind of an acoustic guitar and kind of playing that open pattern there. And really all you got to do is just change the roots of your chords throughout the song. So if you did the verse, it would look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you get to the pre-chorus, you could diamond the chords if you want to, just kind of help break it up. And then whenever you get to the chorus, you can either just do downbeats, or you can continue to do that same pattern. It kind of depends on what feel that you're going for. But overall, you can still do the exact same chords, same voicings, and that sort of thing in order to get through it, just by yourself. I would just add that little bit of motion right there, and you'll definitely be good to go. Now make sure you take a look at all of your sheet music down below, work through all the loop videos several times, and then start over and work through the music video several times just to make sure you've got it up underneath your belt. Now don't forget to have fun and always bring your best.